Okay, so this is me and Rowan going biking, and I want to try to make someone honk their horn. Okay, and me and Rowan are gonna be like, Rowan, hold this for a second. Just point that at me. We're gonna be like this. Look at me, Rowan. We're gonna be like, honk your horn. Okay.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna do it. It's gonna be awesome.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, so pass it. And yeah, so we're just gonna be waiting here for however long it takes.
Let's go over here, Jalal.
Okay, let's go. Well, I'm just like walking now. Yeah, so. Okay, why? Okay, I'll put my bike down. Okay, so that.
I'm gonna videotape you first, okay? So you're gonna wait there. Just sitting down. Hopefully I'm not squishing any caterpillars with my ass.
Okay, there's a car, there's a car.
There's a car!
Honk your horn! Honk! Woo!
Did you hear that?
Yeah!
Woo!
Okay,
Yeah.
now you go. Okay, so Ron, all you have to do is just like, yeah, and just like yell. Just do that, okay? It's gonna take a while. Wanna do rock, paper, scissors? Okay, ready? Rock, paper, mega rock. Ha, I got you, I beat you. You know it. So don't try to lie and write and like say that. Maybe.
You should.
Yeah, I probably should. Okay. So yeah, we're just gonna wait and wait and wait. Let's look. Right there's no cars. I'm not gonna show you any addresses, so don't try to stalk me.
This is my little paper knife.
Yeah, he made that with that.
Yeah, you can put it.
What did you make that out of, actually? Duct tape?
Paper and electrical tape.
Paper?
Ah!
Oh, you disgusting child.
You grosser.
You're grosser than the grossest of grosser. Haha.
Is there anywhere I can take a piss?
Right there, go pee in the bushes. Seriously, actually go. Rowan. Okay, go in there. Go there. And just like, go on your stomach and kind of pee. Go like this, here. Go like this. And just kind of go like.
Okay.
Ready? Wow, it's been 3 minutes already. Wow. You disgusting child. You.
Here's a Harlem Shake.
Okay, that's just. Is there a car? Yeah, there's a car. Okay, do this, Rowan. Just do it. Start.
Honk your horn!
Honk your horn! Woo! We did it! Woo! Okay, so yeah, that was me and Rowan.
Hello.
Yeah, Rowan.
Hello.
Hello. So yeah, awesome.